ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳೇ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. ನಿನ್ನೆ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಈ ದಿನ we shall discussing about the various types of triangles. Triangles means the plane figure bounded by three sides. That is the familiar definition of triangle. But today we have to discuss about various types of triangles. Regarding this matter, there are so many types of triangles here: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, scalene triangle, right angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and obtuse angle triangles. Anyhow, the sum of these all triangles, the sum of angle of all triangle is 180 degree. The sum of any two sides is more than the third side. Okay, here we are discussing about details. Number one, see this right angle triangle. In right angle triangle, in is the one in which one of the angle is 90 degree. The side opposite to the right angle is called hypotenuse. This is the right angle triangle. Next, this is obtuse angle triangle. See this obtuse angle triangle has one of the angle more than 90 degree. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ 90 ಡಿಗ್ರಿಗಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಟೂಸ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತಾ ಇದೀವಿ. ಆ ಚಿತ್ರನ ನೀವು ಗಮನಿಸಬಹುದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 90ಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ, 134 ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಇದೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಅಕ್ಯೂಟ್ ಆಂಗಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇನ್ ವಿಚ್ all the three angles are less than 90 degree. See the figure, the angle A is 30 degree. I mean this is less than 90. And second one, angle B is 74 degree. This is also less than 90 degree. Angle B is 70 degree. This is also less than 90 degree. That's acute angle triangle means in which all the three angles are less than 90 degree. Next one, scalene triangle. Scalene triangle is all three sides unequal in length. All the three angles are also unequal. ಮೂರು ಸೈಡ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಅಳತೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಹಾಗೆ ಮೂರು ಆಂಗಲ್ ಕೂಡ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸ್ಕೆಲೆನ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಐಸಾಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಇನ್ ಐಸಾಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಟೂ ಆಫ್ ಇಟ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ದ ಆಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಟು ದ ಟೂ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಐಸಾಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್, ಆ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಇರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮೂರು ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಎರಡು ಸೈಡ್ ಅವು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇರ್ತವೆ. ಅದೇ ಥರ ಎರಡು ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಐಸಾಸೆಲಸ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್. ಇನ್ನೇ ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ಆಲ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಸೈಡ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಆಲ್ ದ ತ್ರೀ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್. See the figure, angle AB, side AB is equal to side BC, side BC is equal to side A. In the same manner, the angle A equals angle B, that equals angle C. ನೋಡಿ 60 degree 60 degree 60 degree ಸೇಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಸೈಡು ಕೂಡ ಸೇಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಅಂಥ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲನ್ನು ನಾವು ಈಕ್ವಿಲ್ಯಾಟ್ರಲ್ ಟ್ರಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಅಂತ ಕರಿಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಫಿಗರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಜಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್. ಈ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಭಾಗಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಅಂತ ನಾವು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಬಹುದು. ನಂಬರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಇನ್ ಎ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ನಂಬರ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಯಾಮೀಟರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೇಡಿಯಸ್ and then chord and then segment and tangent. These are all the elements of the circles. We see the figure and then observe carefully what are the elements and what it has. That's why I will repeat again. The elements of such a circle is, number one is center of circle. Around the path, around the center, the path may be drawn. that path is called as circumference of the circle. Otherwise, it is called as periphery of the circle. And then the line join the two points on the circumference through the center is called diameter of the circle. The distance from the center to the circumference is called radius of the circle. And then the part of a circle which has two radius and one arc is called as sector. And then the line which meets the 2 points on the circumference without passing through center is called chord. The area covered by the chord and one arc is called segment. That's why these are all the elements of the circle. And listen carefully and work severally, and you have to perform well. That is the elements of the circle. Next one, see this. The details of the triangles are given in column only. ನಿಮಗೆ ಭಾಳ ಈಸಿ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಇದನ್ನ ಓದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಆ ಟ್ರ್ಯಾಂಗಲ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೆಸರುಗಳನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. And then the details are given in the opposite column. Number 1, equilateral triangle. 3 sides are equal, 3 angles are equal. Simple. Isosceles triangle. 2 sides are equal and angle opposite to the are also equal. And then right angle triangle. Any two of 3 angle is 90 degree. Scalene triangle. All the 3 sides and 3 angles are unequal. Acute angle triangle. All the 3 angles are less than 90 degree. Obtuse angle triangle. The one angle is above more than 90 degree. These are all the definitions of the various triangles. You have to repeat this 1 or 2 times and 3 times up to you have to learn. And then you have to draw the figures of various triangles and send me without fail. This is the class. Thank you, dears. Thank you.